guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola. It's your girl Lola. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola from Lorelai Shells. And today, I am just I have not been at school for the last 2 days. Hang on. Because I've been at the hospital 3 hours away from my house. So we had to travel, and yeah, and if you don't believe me, here's the hospital badge. Okay? I didn't want to show the whole thing. I was just like, because, yeah. Anyway, today I will be telling you about the slime giveaway, as you know by the title. And if you're here in the first hour, I post this. Or if you're here, like, if I only get like 2 or 3 people in the first hour, or like 1 person, then I'll wait a couple more hours to see how many people. That comment down below, hashtag notification squad, hashtag slime. And if you're wondering, I'm in a car on my way back home. I will be at school tomorrow. So the first like couple people that are here that say it, like I'll be. Wow. You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. Shout out to Mom. Okay, and this shout out actually goes to Jolene. She has a YouTube channel. Okay, if you wanna have her link in the description. The link to her channel is in the description below, and please subscribe to my channel and hers. And she will be automatically put in the giveaway hat thingy. Okay, I'm gonna put a hat and then draw it, but as I said, if you comment down below, hashtag notifications below, hashtag slime, then you will be in a hat and have the opportunity to be drawn for a slime. So thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye. Say bye.